Well, now that the burritos are done, I'll go ahead and get the sides started. We are going to be making Torchy's style Mexican street corn salad. This will be similar to just regular Mexican street corn, but instead of using actual corn on the cob, I'm just gonna get the canned ones because I'm lazy. So with that being said, this isn't very much different than the other ones that I've made, similar to fried corn. So I will go ahead and just throw this in and start grilling. And the total cost is $14.40. And now that these are fried up, all we need to do is just throw everything else in and it's pretty much done. So let's go ahead and do that. And with that, our fancy corn is done. So let's go ahead and put it in the bowl. And there it is, our fancy bowl of corn. Yeah, so this looks really good. I'm excited to try it. So thanks for watching. So I'll tell you what, I definitely used a little too much chili powder, so I think I'll turn it down next time. Other than that, this one was pretty good. I definitely like Torchy's and this one turned out well, so I enjoy it. And yeah, I'd say probably add more cheese next time though, because there wasn't like a lot of cheese, but you know, cheese is always good. But yeah, thanks for watching. Oh.